Good morning and welcome to today's video. Christmas is cancelled. We're in tier 4. What were you going to call today's video? What was your suggestion again?
All the tiers, no gears. I could have done that if there was no people there.
Easy.
Yeah, it's just easy.
So today's ride, out for a walk with Nick. He's on his fixed gear gravel bike. I'm on my Wilier Triestina, and we're going to be pushing our bikes most of today. Oh, the route is out to Box Hill, and he's done it before, so it must be doable. Gotta be honest, I'm not sure why Nick has built this bike or why this bike exists. We've only ridden about 5k, and it's pretty obvious why no one else has one of these, because it's stupid. You enjoying yourself, Nick?
Yeah.
That bit's alright.
Yeah, I definitely didn't walk that bit.
I didn't see it, camera didn't see it, didn't happen. So in light of recent announcements, now you can see, well, I've been doing a bit of off-road recently. Haven't got the mountain bike built up yet, but I want to spend as much time off-road as possible before the Cape Epic in October. I'm building up the mountain bike on Wednesday. When I've done that, we can tackle some more technical terrain, head down to Pease Lake and around Leith Hill. There's some great trails along there. Way more technical than this. I'm off the route again, Nick.
It's left it, hasn't it?
You've been enjoying this?
Yeah. I've been enjoying seeing you. I've got a stupid bike. But apart from that, you know.
Oh, I've got mud on my face again. Basically, Christmas is cancelled because the UK coronavirus restriction system was split into 3 tiers. London was in tier 3, so you could still have your non-essential businesses open. We were all gonna have a holiday from the restrictions for Christmas, which didn't make much sense, to be honest. And instead of going back on that, they've instead introduced a tier 4. So the government seem like they're not going back on their decision, but actually they're going back on their decision. Should we ride down this hill? I know where we are now.
Just do some super skids.
I forget, you're not gonna enjoy the downhill, are you?
I enjoy it more than the uphill. I know.
I hope they're not coming.
I wish I had a motorbike. This morning it was like, what a good idea. You know, Christmas is cancelled. It's nice weather. I'll go on my bike. What's the fucking point? Oh, look how far.
Been done, mate. Yeah. I'm just here editing the crash footage. What did I even crash on? I thought you'd at least be able to see some sort of something. It's just grass. That's what I deserve for concentrating on filming too much.
I thought you were going to come flying past me. I was like, it's going for a super fast overtake.
First off-road crash. It's way better than crashing on road, isn't it? Because it just doesn't hurt. Well,
and also you landed on smooth grass.
Yeah.
Rather than...
Well, the idea was I'll ride on the smooth grass because you're going really slowly on that bit.
One muddy side.
Could have gone into that barbed wire fence. Nice little crash, small little problem. My rear brake is not working anymore. Somehow I've lost all pressure in the hydraulic system. So we're gonna head back on the road. Probably an easy fix, just need to bleed them and Get a new brake hose connected up.
Keep bleeding, keep bleeding brakes. Hey mate, how are you?
Yeah, fine. What are you doing?
Taking a bike for a walk. Who's your good boy? Easy. What are you complaining about? Oh, hi mate, how you doing?
That took some serious bike cleaning. You see, I'm learning valuable skills for the mountain biking already. These tyres ain't good enough for mud. Otherwise I wouldn't have crashed. This is the thing, if the knobble's not knobbly enough, then they ain't gonna give you that much grip. And because these are gravel tyres, they are made for gravel, not slop. I mean, they're pretty capable. I've pushed them pretty much as far as you can, but when you get really, really slippery bits of mud, you need mountain bike tyres or cross tyres that are made for it. I'll tell you one other thing about this off-road stuff. I'm getting really good at cleaning my bike. Question for any mechanics out there.
Cyclist nearly crashed into us.
My back brake has lost all pressure. You can still see the pads moving a tiny little bit after that crash. Something's caused it. Do you think this is a thing I can fix myself if I order a bleed kit? I haven't bled brakes since I did a mechanics course about 10 years ago. So is it a thing that I will just mess up? Is it easier? Shall I just take it to a shop? I do actually do most of my own mechanics, even though I have filmed a few videos with Brown. Problem is just London flat. There isn't really much space, so if I was to set up a work stand and stuff, I'd have to do it over at the studio. And that's all up in the air at the moment because there was the building work going on and we haven't quite set it up the same as it was. But yeah, if anyone's attempted a brake bleed themselves, let me know in the comments how easy was it. Aside from the crash, that was actually a really good ride. Legs are feeling a little bit wobbly after the ramp test the other day. I'm gonna keep training this week. Next hard session is after an easy day tomorrow, thankfully. And it's gonna be a 20-minute test. Now, I'm not sure if I have a 5-minute effort just before it to sort of take the sting out of my legs and use up that energy system before going into the 20 minutes, because that's what you're supposed to do officially, the 20-minute test minus the 5%. So yeah, look forward to another Sufferfest on Tuesday this week, or Wednesday for you guys.
What are you doing on Tuesday?
Riding a turbo trainer really hard. Again, this coaching thing sucks. I mean, Ken's a really good coach, but this training thing sucks. When's your ramp test?
Never, mate.
Why not?
Why do I need to do one? To just prove that I'm really unfit?
Entertainment for the viewers.
Hey, you can't get entertainment out of my...
Suffering, that's what they watch me
Yeah, but I'd
for.
be suffering at like 100 watts, so it would be a very, very short test, and I can just tell you I'm unfit. There we go, that's my ramp test done.
That was great.